what's up, Ken on TV, and we back with another reaction video.
As you can see by the title, we're reacting to Lil Yachty's Strike.
Yachty. Yo, I ain't listened to Yachty since. Shit.
It's actually, you're right. When was the last time? No, I don't know, just because it was like Yachty rarely dropped.
Yachty was busting in 2016,
2017.
And it was one main ass song.
High, I've been getting high. Little baby, a little baby, and I ain't got no lie.
Oh, God.
That's really one song I really know.
Yeah.
That's how you can see how we get down. But nah, because Lil Yachty funny as hell. Like, he funny to me. So, if one thing, I'm looking at how he, like, acting, like,
oh, God,
outside of music.
Yeah, I got him on Snapchat, Instagram.
Yeah, he funny.
Okay, it's us.
Yes, I've been waiting to hear this. I was high as fuck, tweaking.
That's the only thing I know.
Like,
but
I've been waiting for this one. All right.
Okay. 4 seconds in, I've been getting it. What?
It's us. I was eager. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not.
The song start?
Yo.
I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it, do it. Know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. Oh, this Bottega shit, I shot that.
Oh, that's right. Yachty living his best life. Don't get no fuck. He got, I don't know what boots, SpongeBob boots, Adidas, Capris.
Don't forget the socks.
Bozo the Clown socks, and then match the hat.
With a motherfucking Rolls Royce in the back.
That's all that matters. He is on a Rolls Royce. Matching the Rolls Royce at least.
I know that's right.
Other guys sip on drink till it's early. Oh, this Bottega shit, I shot that Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal, I begged him to sell it to me. Stars in a row, this shit ain't nothing, I switched to coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit me, hop in SRTs and do Fruity Loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips.
Y'all know hop in SIT and do Fruity Loops?
Man.
Okay.
They go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit me, hop in SRTs and do Fruity Loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips like they switch out shoes. Okay, it's us. I be falling, I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit.
Yeah, this whole part right here. I'm just trying to strike shit. I like it.
Yeah,
I see.
High as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, slide. Shoulder something.
Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not going to work. I know that's right.
Did you just make that up?
No, he just said that.
Oh, I was about to say, damn, that was raw.
Strike like I'm not strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, slide. Shoulder something. Stake them all hundreds.
You said it like you made that up.
Shoulder something. Stake them all hundreds. Recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got her stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Lizzie.
I know that.
My whole stuff. I like it.
Nigga crazy for that.
It's a gun in my holster. New Lizzie out in Dover. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenci Costa.
Wait, huh?
220, it's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenci Costa.
A
Balenciaga Costa.
Costa.
Like a Costa that's a Balenci.
I don't know.
I thought he was saying the 4 in his cup is sitting on Balenci Costa.
Oh, makes sense. Okay.
Sit on a Balenci Costa. Yeah. Okay. It's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
That part, I was high as my rolling geek.
I'm glad he looking healthy though. Like,
yeah, this just looked like it was just fun to make.
Yeah.
He just like a fun person. And then I heard him and Cole Bennett's like this, so they videos just be matching energy. Like it's a summer type song, not like right now, but when summer's geeking, yeah. But let us know what you guys want us to react to next.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we see you in the next video.